So my name is Rachael de Oliveira. I'm a content creator and podcaster, and I live here with my husband and my two boys. From the first lockdown that we experienced here in Melbourne, it's made me realise not just that the house needs a good paint job, but there's lots of things that I was unhappy with, and one of the things was definitely the doors in our bedroom. So these are the doors that we are changing. So when you open this door, it doesn't sit flush against the wall, and what that is doing is it's also blocking space. I actually do most of my shopping on Instagram. Looked at the Doors Plus Instagram page, I saw the beautiful doors that they make, and I thought, you know what, Doors Plus, definitely a household name, they've been around forever. I sort of wanted to go with a company that had a good reputation. They were really quick in responding to my query on Instagram. From there, the process of just going into our local store, they had a measure and quote arranged really quickly. It was really no fuss. The carpenter knows what he's doing. He's just got in here, got the job done, cleaned up all of the mess. It is absolutely pristine. You can tell that he really cared and he wanted to ensure that I understood the process. It just looks so much better than what I thought. I actually can't believe how beautiful it looks. It's just a really beautiful feature piece for the room. It actually has really made the room look a lot bigger as well. We don't have a door here cutting off the walkway anymore, and it's just absolutely stunning. Just beautiful.